Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into an exciting project, building an RFID vehicle barrier control using Arduino. Perfect for enhancing security and learning more about RFID technology. Let's take a look at the components you will need for this project. Arduino Uno, RFID reader module, RFID tag, another RFID card, traffic lights, servo motor, breadboard, and some jumper wires. You will get the Arduino code in the description and you can set up wires as shown in the circuit diagram. Now let's dive into the code you will need to upload to your Arduino to make everything work. Use a USB cable to connect your Arduino board to your computer. Make sure the board is properly connected and powered on. At first, open the Arduino IDE software on your computer. Go to Tools menu. Under Board, select the type of Arduino board you are using, for example Arduino Uno. Then again go to Tools menu. Under Port, select the combo port that your Arduino board is connected to. Now click the right arrow icon. The IDE will compile the code and upload it to your Arduino board. You will see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Now you can see that as I put the tag near, it makes the green LED and servo motor in action simultaneously. The important thing in this project is that barrier will open only for vehicles with registered RFID tags. I set up this experiment as you can see. I have mounted everything securely on this board to ensure stability and accuracy in our observations. This way, all components are clearly visible and accessible for further analysis. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to let me know.